Christy. What the size are these bad boys? I haven't got a Scooby where I am, but it's all part of the fun. I've gone off track, and I've gone off track. Looks like there's a track here. So people must come down here. In this woodland there's loads of bluebells and stuff, so that'd be good when they grow. That branch just hanging there. Well, that's a bit safer now. I love a woodland like this. I just do a 360 spin. Nice and quiet as well. Oh, hello. Got a wire. Zzz. Fence. What's that mean? Got pheasants in there. Well, what's that? Something blue in there in the distance. Would you camp under there? Someone's made a shelter. I'm right in the middle of dark bit of woodland that I found on Google Maps. But someone else has found it. Loads of bloody litter in there. It's alright making a shelter and all. We've got all these trees that have been here for like donkey years. And you come along and dump your crap in it. Very clever. If you enjoy the outdoors, keep it clean. Oh, look at that. Trees falling over and growing up that one. So its roots are still in the ground, so it's still alive. So basically it's tripped over, whoops daisy, fell on his mate next to him, and growing up, and got this massive curve, you can make a slide out of it. Whee! Wood ant's nest here. This is how not to leave a fire. A big eyesore. Wouldn't take anything just to wait for that to die down and kick about. Ruins it for others. There's another burnt patch there. I just covered it a bit. Takes a piss. There might be some fat wood in there. Chop it up if I had my axe. Get to the middle. Would have thought there'd be some in there at the bottom. I'm just heading down this bridle way. Quite busy today, a lot of horses and things. It's meant to be a shortcut to the location I want to get to. But I've only been down it once, so hopefully I'll get there alright. I just wanted to do a few shouts out. I've got a list here because my memory's crap. First one's Hooped Bivvy Wild Camper. Right mate, he's a top bloke he is. He's helped me out with carrying on these videos through the app and that, so check him out. Burton Outdoors, I've done a recent video with him, check him out. He's a funny guy, nice and chilled. He got Bearded Bushcrafter, another local. He's great with his photography. And he's just got a new location to set up camp and do some bushcraft stuff. So I have some good videos to come there. Check him out. Ronnie Woods, Outdoors and Bushcraft. He's just started up. I think he had back problems or something. He's just getting out and about now. He's a funny guy. Check him out. He'll make you laugh. And the other one's Black Country Woodsman. I've only just found him out. He's a real chilled guy, really peaceful videos and great locations. I enjoy watching them videos, you just feel nice and relaxed. Yeah, so check him out as well. Alright, cheers guys. I'm down at this spot. I don't really know if I'm allowed here. Got a bridle way along there, and there's like these posts, look like a fence post, but there's no fence in between. And then you've got a sudden change of woodland, like condensed woodland. So the bridle way is just there, and I've come in here. Nice quiet spot. So just set my stoves up there. Got twigs, bit of birch bark. I'll be doing kipper. I'll just let that die down a bit. Get some embers at the bottom, giving off some good heat. Today I got this cooking pot. I forgot what it's called. I've done a preview video of it. Outdoorsman cooking set or something. Some cheap thing off eBay. But I've only used it once, so I'll go use it today. And what I do is fill it up with water. Like so. Now that's died down a bit. Get my sink hole strainer. Careful not to burn yourself. Sit that on top. That on top. Boil the water up. Put my kipper in. About another 10 minutes. There you go. Bit of kipper, bit of soggy salad. Oh my god, I should do this again, definitely. Why does it taste so much better cooked outside? Perfect. Coffee. I'm thinking this is quite a good spot for camping. Got a couple little open spots here, surrounded by brambles, so I wouldn't thought anyone would be walking through. I don't know where the path is. I know there's one right over there. You've got a bridle way here, but do a stealth camp, maybe in there. All packed away, leave no trace. You know the normal routine, I shouldn't have to keep saying it. Just leave it how you found it. That's where I had the little fire and that, just kicked it about, made sure everything's out. Take it with you. As always, thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Cheers.